welcome back to 30223, your EDEC radio station, bringing you all of your educational needs. That last one was from the doctor himself, Dr. Seuss. Now, if you're just joining us, we have two lovely ladies visiting the show today. Let's welcome Irene Fountas and Gay Sue Pinnell.
Hello.
Thank you for having us.
Well, thank you for being here. Let's get started. We are here to talk about literacy instruction in the elementary grades. Now, you two are the names to know when it comes to guided reading in the classroom. Can you tell us a little bit about your guided reading research and instruction?
Yes, well, we were very inspired and influenced by Mara Clay in our development of our guided reading leveled reading program.
Yes, we believe in scaffolding students. With our leveled reading books, students will be reading at an appropriate level. The text will be challenging, but not too challenging. We want students to read daily so that they continually build upon their knowledge and work on their fluency. Also, practice is key when you want to be skilled in anything.
Definitely. Michael Jordan can attest to that. Practice makes perfect. So, what is your most recent publication?
Our most recent publications look to tackle assessment and literacy interventions.
Both Irene and I feel that these are important areas for teachers and pre-service teachers to know and understand.
Because of this, we have written the Fountas and Pinnell Literacy Intervention and also the Fountas and Pinnell Benchmark Assessment System to help aid teachers when planning Tier 2 and Tier 3 interventions.
What do you feel to be your biggest accomplishment to literary instruction?
I am most proud of our original book, which was entitled Guided Reading, Good First Teaching for All Children, and it was published in 1996, because our book changed how literacy was taught in the classroom.
Yes, so our guided reading provides a new format for teachers to follow to be able to access each child as a unique and individual learner.
Our book outlines how to implement instructional support for all students so that they can continually expand their reading knowledge.
Wow, that sounds like groundbreaking work for classroom teachers.
Yes, we are certainly proud that her work has been received warmly.
Guided reading includes a list of 2,500 leveled books for classroom teachers to pull information from. We want to help children grow in literacy.
What kind of awards have you both won for your research and work?
Through my work at The Ohio State University and my accompanying research, I have been fortunate enough to win the International Reading Association Albert J. Harris Award for Research in Reading Difficulties. I have also received the Ohio Governor's Award for Contributions to Literary Education, and I hold a place in the Reading Hall of Fame.
I am currently a professor at Lesley University in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and I have won the International Reading Association's Celebrate Literacy Award and the Greater Boston Council Literacy Award.
Well, look at you ladies go. All right, I'm getting the signal that we have time for one more question. This one is for all those teachers out there. What indicators should they be looking for to determine the level of reading of their students?
Well, it certainly depends on the student because not every student is on the same level.
Of course.
So when we were researching, we wanted to determine what characteristics of a book made it more or less challenging. We came up with 10 tasks or guidelines that the reader should be able to do with accuracy, fluency, and understanding.
Yes, so the main differences in the reading levels include genre, form, text structure, content, themes and ideas, language and literacy, features, sentence complexity, vocabulary, words, illustrations, and book and print features. Each level becomes increasingly more difficult in these areas, A being the easiest level and Z being the most challenging.
Teachers should take careful consideration when giving a student a book at a certain level. If it is too difficult, then the student cannot comprehend and process what he or she is reading. But if it is too easy, then the student will not be challenged and will not continue his or her growth in reading comprehension.
All right, that sounds amazing. I think that's all the time we have left. So, it has been an honor to meet you, and thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you so much for having us.
It's been a pleasure.
This next track is a smooth reading with Shel Silverstein and The Giving Tree.